Our thoughts have more power than we often realize. What we say to ourselves can shape our lives in ways we might not expect. The words we use in self-talk can influence our emotions, decisions, and ultimately our reality. Today, we'll explore how your inner dialogue directly connects to the law of attraction, turning your thoughts into the life you desire. Self-talk is that constant stream of thoughts running through your mind. It can either uplift you or bring you down. Positive self-talk, telling yourself you're capable, deserving, and strong, helps to build your confidence and sets you on a path to success. Conversely, negative self-talk can create feelings of doubt, fear, and limitation. This is why becoming aware of your inner dialogue is so important. When you speak to yourself in a supportive way, you reinforce beliefs that align with what you want to achieve. Your brain starts to believe what you repeatedly tell it. If you constantly affirm, "I can handle this," or "I attract abundance," your subconscious mind works towards making that a reality. This is where the law of attraction comes into play. By shifting your self-talk to positive affirmations, you send out the energy that attracts more of what you want. It's not just about repeating phrases, but truly believing in the message behind them. If you're constantly telling yourself that something isn't possible, it creates an energetic barrier that blocks opportunities. But by focusing on positive, empowering language, you open yourself up to the abundance that the universe has to offer. Your self-talk is the key to unlocking the law of attraction in your life. The law of attraction works on the premise that like attracts like. When your thoughts are aligned with positivity, the energy you emit brings similar experiences into your life. Negative self-talk does the opposite. It attracts situations that reinforce those fears or doubts. So, the first step to activating the law of attraction is to monitor and improve your inner dialogue. It's easy to fall into the habit of criticizing ourselves, especially when things aren't going as planned. The more we focus on what's going wrong, the more we manifest those challenges. Shifting your thoughts from what's wrong to what's possible allows you to change the energy around you. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try reframing it to, "I'm learning and I will improve." This subtle shift can create profound changes in your mindset and experiences. Your self-talk doesn't just affect your mood or day-to-day emotions, it sets the tone for how you interact with the world. If you believe in your abilities and speak kindly to yourself, that confidence radiates outward, attracting new opportunities and relationships. People who practice positive self-talk often notice that things start falling into place more easily because they've aligned themselves with the energy of success. The language you use also influences how you perceive challenges. Negative self-talk makes obstacles seem larger than they are. If you're constantly telling yourself that something is too hard or that you're not capable, those challenges feel insurmountable. On the other hand, positive self-talk frames challenges as temporary setbacks that can be overcome with effort and resilience. One powerful way to improve your self-talk is by practicing daily affirmations. These are simple statements that reinforce your desires and goals. Repeating affirmations like "I am deserving of love" or "I am capable of achieving my dreams" can retrain your mind to focus on what's possible. Over time, these positive beliefs replace the limiting ones, aligning you with the law of attraction. Another important aspect of self-talk is gratitude. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you open yourself up to receiving even more. When you focus on abundance rather than lack, you attract more abundance into your life. This simple practice shifts your mindset from scarcity to gratitude, further enhancing the law of attraction. Self-talk also shapes your emotional state, and when you speak kindly to yourself, it boosts your mood, reduces stress, and creates a sense of inner peace. This emotional shift is crucial for the law of attraction because positive emotions vibrate at a higher frequency, attracting more positivity into your life. On the other hand, negative emotions like frustration and fear can lower your vibration, making it harder to attract what you truly desire. Your self-talk creates your reality by influencing your thoughts, emotions, and actions. And it's a cycle. What you think influences how you feel, and how you feel influences the decisions you make. When you choose positive, supportive thoughts, you naturally take actions that lead to success. This is how self-talk directly triggers the law of attraction. By making a conscious effort to speak kindly to yourself, you begin to reshape your entire life. The small shift in how you talk to yourself can lead to big changes in your external world. It's about training your mind to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Over time, this practice becomes second nature, and you start to see how your thoughts shape your reality. The law of attraction is simple. What you focus on expands. If your self-talk is focused on abundance, health, and happiness, that's what you'll attract into your life. However, if your thoughts are centered around fear, lack, or negativity, those are the experiences you'll continue to face. The law works without fail, aligning your external reality with the internal energy you project. To make the most of the law of attraction, you must first be clear about what you want. Clarity in your thoughts leads to clarity in your reality. Vague desires bring vague results, but when you're specific in your self-talk and affirmations, the universe responds in kind. This is why intentional positive self-talk is so crucial in manifesting your desires. The law of attraction is not just about thinking positively, it's about feeling positive emotions as if your desires are already on their way. When your self-talk aligns with this feeling of certainty and confidence, you become a magnet for the very things you want to attract. It's about believing that you are worthy and capable of receiving what you desire. Your beliefs are the foundation of your reality, and they are largely formed by your self-talk. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, that belief becomes ingrained in your subconscious mind. It starts to influence how you act and the decisions you make, often holding you back from reaching your full potential. By changing the way you talk to yourself, you can start to shift those limiting beliefs. For example, instead of telling yourself, "I'll never be successful," you can reframe it to, "I'm learning and growing every day, and success is within my reach." Over time, this new self-talk will become your belief, guiding you toward a more empowered life. The beauty of self-talk is that you can rewrite your beliefs at any time. It's never too late to start shifting your inner dialogue to match the life you want to create. The more you practice positive self-talk, the stronger your beliefs become, and the more aligned you are with the law of attraction. Improving your self-talk doesn't require a complete life overhaul. It's about small, consistent changes. One effective technique is to start each day with a positive affirmation. As soon as you wake up, set the tone for your day by saying something kind and empowering to yourself. It could be as simple as, "Today is going to be a great day." Another technique is to become more mindful of your inner dialogue throughout the day. When you notice negative self-talk creeping in, consciously replace it with a positive statement. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never get this right," shift it to, "I'm learning and I'll get better with time." These small adjustments make a big difference. Journaling can also help improve your self-talk. Writing down your thoughts allows you to reflect on them and become more aware of any negative patterns. You can then rewrite those thoughts in a more positive, empowering way. This practice helps solidify positive self-talk as a natural part of your daily routine. Your emotions are closely tied to your self-talk. When you speak kindly to yourself, it naturally lifts your mood and creates a sense of well-being. This emotional shift is key in the law of attraction because your emotions have a direct impact on the energy you emit into the world. When your self-talk is negative, it drags your emotions down, making it harder to attract positive experiences. By practicing positive self-talk, you're not just changing your thoughts, you're also improving your emotional state. The better you feel, the more aligned you are with the law of attraction, allowing you to draw in the things you want with ease. The law of attraction responds to your emotional vibration. So if your self-talk makes you feel confident, hopeful, and excited, you're sending out a powerful signal that will attract similar experiences into your life. This is why positive self-talk is such a vital part of manifesting your desires. Overcoming negative self-talk can be challenging, especially if it's been a long-standing habit. The first step is awareness. Start paying attention to the things you say to yourself and notice when your inner dialogue turns negative. Once you're aware of the patterns, you can start to interrupt them and replace them with more positive thoughts. It's important to be patient with yourself during this process. Changing your self-talk won't happen overnight, but with practice, you'll start to notice a shift. One helpful technique is to ask yourself, would I say this to a friend? If the answer is no, then it's probably not something you should say to yourself either. Replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations takes time, but the results are worth it. As you shift your inner dialogue, you'll begin to feel more empowered and aligned with the law of attraction. This will naturally lead to positive changes in your external world as well. Your self-talk plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. When you consistently affirm positive beliefs about yourself and your abilities, you create the mental and emotional conditions necessary for manifestation. The law of attraction responds to this by bringing opportunities and experiences that match your self-talk. The key to manifestation is believing that you're worthy of what you desire. Positive self-talk helps reinforce this belief, making it easier to manifest your goals. When you truly believe that you can achieve something, the universe responds by aligning circumstances to help you succeed. On the other hand, if your self-talk is filled with doubt and negativity, it creates resistance to manifestation. The law of attraction can't bring you what you want if you don't believe it's possible. That's why improving your self-talk is such a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. Your self-talk is the script that writes your life story. If you don't like the current narrative, you have the power to rewrite it. By changing the way you speak to yourself, you can change the direction of your life. It's about choosing thoughts and words that align with the reality you want to create. Start by identifying the areas of your life where your self-talk could use improvement. Are you holding yourself back with limiting beliefs? Are you speaking to yourself in a way that reinforces fear or doubt? Once you've identified these patterns, you can begin to consciously rewrite them with more positive and empowering self-talk. Over time, this new self-talk becomes your new reality. You'll start to see how the thoughts you think and the words you say shape the world around you. It's a powerful reminder that you are the author of your own story, and by changing your self-talk, you can change your life. Your self-talk is one of the most powerful tools you have for shaping your reality. By aligning your inner dialogue with the law of attraction, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. It starts with becoming aware of the words you say to yourself and making a conscious effort to speak kindly and positively. As you improve your self-talk, you'll notice a shift in your energy, emotions, and overall outlook on life. This shift will naturally attract more positivity and abundance into your experience, and so take the time to nurture your self-talk. It's the key to turning your thoughts into reality. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content on personal growth and manifestation.